Films California office. Hey guys, so we're located in Santa Fe Springs, California. Our business hours are Monday through Friday, 8 to 5 p.m. We do take a short lunch from 12 to 1. I'd like to see our conference room. It has our most popular films, along with a few displays. You guys follow me. So we do ship to West Coast states, including Hawaii and Alaska. This is our California warehouse. And along with your basic film, we also do have tools to fill your basic installation needs. If you need any custom rolls or cut for a certain size, you could buy a 60. We'll cut it down to your custom preference. Now, any orders placed before 2:30 p.m., we do ship out same business days. Orders placed after 2:30 p.m. will usually be sent out the next business days. We do ship out pallets also if you want to buy that much, and we do ask 1 to 2 business days for pallets. If you'd like to come and pick up your film, we do also offer will calls. All you have to do is contact your sales rep and we'll provide you with an ETA. Now, for faster processing, you might want to use your credit card. If you do want to pay cash, we just ask you bring exact change.
That one's ready to go?
Anything you guys need, we're right here. Thank you.
Thank you. See you soon.